What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you a solution to a problem that has annoyed me several times, and I'm guessing that if it has annoyed me, it probably has annoyed some of you people working in AutoCAD as well. And the problem is when your text, your multi-line text, is not showing in your viewport. Why is it not showing? I could zoom out, I could click my viewport, I could see other things in my drawing, but I cannot see my text. Where in the world is my text, and how can I get it to be visible? Well, the solution is kind of a simple one, but if you don't know, you will know after this. So here I have some multi-line text, which is a lot of information here, just some general notes for a drawing, and I want to place it on here. So all you have to do is type in ANNOALLVISIBLE, and if the value is set to 0, you will not see text, your multi-line text, in your viewports. You set it to 1 and wow, magic, there it goes. Now it's visible. Why AutoCAD decides to hide that from us, I'm not sure, but it has annoyed me several times and I always forget that command, ANNOALLVISIBLE. So anyways guys, just a quick video. I just wanted to share that, have that out there on YouTube for someone else to find if they're looking for it, and you don't have to go through Google and search through forums till you find that. You can find it here on YouTube. So anyways guys, there you have it. ANNOALLVISIBLE, set the value to 1, you can see your text in viewports. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.